Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying out things that I have seen on TikTok. So I'm constantly on TikTok making videos and watching videos, and there is some crazy shit on TikTok. There is also like so many like hacks and like things to try. So I thought I would film a whole video trying all of those hacks out. So I've seen a couple of people do this video on YouTube, and I wanted to try it out with the videos that I've seen on TikTok that I've always wanted to try but just never tried. So that's what we're gonna do today. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe down below, the red little button. Follow me on all my social medias, which are all down below, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Snapchat, and like this video. So I'm super excited. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm currently in my kitchen, and the TikTok that I am going to try out is it's where people put bleach like half of their jeans and like make it look cool. I don't know, I'll insert the TikTok in now for you guys to see. I sound like I've got a cold.
I've only got coronavirus, be good to go.
True. So we've got everything set up here. We have a towel, another towel, you need a trash bag, and we have some duct tape. And then we are going to give it an attempt and see if it works. I really hope it does, because I feel like these will look really cool. So we are in the kitchen and we are going to start by doing it. I need to actually watch the video to see what her first step is. I think she like gets tape and divides it. So I'm just using old shorts. That's what I'm going to try and bleach it, acid wash it. I don't actually know, to be honest. I really hope this works. Now we have to attach the trash bag. So like...
No, not that bag. That's...
Oh. Sorry.
Let's just soak up the bleach.
I thought you were just getting it ready. What's the towel for then?
Just make sure it doesn't go anymore on my bench.
And the second towel?
Same.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a trash bag.
I already got one for you.
Oh, you know, okay. Put the trash bag on.
That's it.
Okay, I'm going to come back when I've actually finished it, because this is taking me forever. We just finished sticky tape. This is not sticky tape, masking taping the shorts. So this is what they look like. We are now going to put bleach on them, and yeah, let's get to the next step. Splash some on it.
Yep. All over like a lot. Yep. I've wet the sponge.
With it?
Or with water even.
Oh, well, we're doing it with bleach. Oh, should I be wearing gloves?
Oh, I don't use that.
Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for a bit and then put them in the wash, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so my washing machine actually just finished, and I've just pulled out the shorts, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Overall, they kind of worked. I think I should have probably used like a darker denim so you could tell more of a difference. But if you like look closely, obviously there's like two different colors there. The back definitely worked better. I actually really like them. I thought they were gonna run and like not stay in a straight line with the two different colors, but they actually did, which I'm really happy about. I'm gonna go put them out on the line and get them to dry. So the next TikTok that I'm going to be trying out is this one on the screen right now. So it is basically making a chocolate mud mug cake in the microwave with 2 ingredients. If this works, honestly, I'm gonna be so happy because it's so fast and so easy, and I can make a cake so fast. So we're gonna try and do it. All you need is a mug, Oreos, and milk. So I'm gonna check how many Oreos they put in theirs. Okay, so in their video, they put in 3 Oreos. I swear Oreos have gotten smaller. They're so small. I'm gonna do 4 because look how small these Oreos are. 4 Oreos are in, and I'm just gonna take my milk. And how much milk do I need? I don't even know. Add the milk in. Okay, I don't even know how much milk I just added, but it's enough to kind of cover it, and I'm gonna mash it up with a fork. Okay, I ended up putting an extra Oreo in because I feel like it wasn't Oreo-y enough. But I've just mashed them all up. I think that's good. I don't think it needs to be super mashed. That is what mine looks like. I am now going to put it in the microwave for a minute and let's see what happens. I have like a lot of doubts about this because surely this can't work, but I'm honestly praying, so let's hope. Oh, microwaves take so long. I hope it works. Do you think it will work, Mum? Sure. Well, it worked on the video. 20 seconds left. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna film it. It actually oh, let's try it. Oh, it's really gooey. Should I put it in for a bit longer? I reckon put it in for a bit longer. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh my god, it's legit hot.
Can it be really hot?
Do you want to try it first or me?
You try that one. Okay.
It's like a gooey brownie cake.
Nice.
Yay, that was a success.
It's like chocolate pudding.
So you can make a cake with 2 ingredients.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I am back and I'm in my, I just like screamed. I am back and I'm in my kitchen. The thing I'm about to do next, you've probably seen a million times, you've probably tried it. I think I'm the only person that hasn't tried it, and that is whipped coffee. So I feel like you already know what it is, but I'm gonna insert a TikTok of it right now if you haven't anyway. Apparently it's kind of really hard. I'm actually really nervous. I don't even drink coffee, but I really wanna make this because it looks really cool. And I'm just gonna use this bowl. I don't know if it's too small. Okay, so to make this, all you need is 2 tablespoons of coffee. 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then you just have to mix it, and apparently it takes ages. So I will come back in probably like 20 minutes when my arm's like fallen off. Okay, so I whipped the coffee. Do you want to zoom in, Mum? Took me ages and we had a bit of an incident. I accidentally whipped it too hard and then I threw the spatula and it went all over the carpet. But we fixed that situation. So now I'm gonna do the second part. So we need to put some ice in a cup. I'm putting some ice in a cup. We're only doing this once, Mum, so I hope you're feeling good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna fill it up with some milk. Okay, so we have the milk and the ice. We're now gonna add the coffee. We'll add a bit more. This is the final drink. I actually don't like coffee, so do I have to try it?
Yes, because I don't like coffee either.
I hate that. I feel like if you liked coffee, it's good though. So maybe it's a TikTok success. I feel like everyone's already tried it, but if you haven't, you should try and make it. Let's go give it to my sister who does like coffee and see what she thinks. Did you stop recording?
Yeah.
Did I say stop recording? What makes you think
Just
you're
again.
the creative director here? Pastor.
Turn around.
I need you to try it because I don't like coffee. So this is the ice whipped coffee. Okay. Is it good?
Yeah. Tastes like coffee.
Well, it was a success, everyone.
You know I feel my ass when you come in. You might need to censor that.
Okay, the last thing that I'm going to try out, I don't think it's actually going to work, but I really wanted to try this, and so I'll insert it into the camera right now. I'm kind of like doubtful whether this is going to work or not, but we'll try. I'm going to use a face washer. I don't know if it's going to be like too thick though. I feel like my soap isn't like the same soap she uses. Like, did she just use hand soap? Okay, I'm a bit like worried because mine's not like foamy. I don't want to put my mouth on that. Oh, it's in my mouth. Ew, it's in my mouth. Why didn't that work? That's so annoying. Okay, I feel like she used micellar water. Maybe I should try that. It actually worked. Oh my god. That is so cool. Okay, that was a success. I want to get a thumbnail of this. Oh my god, guys. So that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me right down below. Click the red button. Make sure to follow me down below on all my social medias. TikTok, my Instagram, my Snapchat are all down below. And yeah, this was really fun to try out stuff that I've seen on TikTok for so long. If you want me to try out any more videos that are on TikTok, let me know. But yeah, bye guys. Mwah.